Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. VeChain at the moment, a very uneventful chart, I would say. There are two scenarios that I'm following. One is a bearish one and one is a bullish one. The bullish one has a lot to prove in my opinion. Long-term support is 0.0055 USD. So as long as that level is holding, we give an overall bullish scenario definitely a chance. Problem with the VeChain chart is it topped in clearly 3 waves only, so it has a lot to prove. We have 5 waves down. That's the main problem on this chart, that this can be interpreted as a 5-wave move to the downside. There are other ways how you can interpret that. That's why I've got the wave 1 to the upside. The problem is with the wave 1 to the upside in an ABC structure, it just makes this whole chart less clear. Okay, so all I can do at the moment is to leave that with you. There are, even in a bearish scenario, is a chance to rally. What I will do though, I will widen this resistance area just so that you've got the different fib levels on there. So if really a C wave starts from here, which it could do, but it's just not very evident yet. But again, these coins always move in groups. So VeChain hasn't moved a lot. It hasn't moved a lot, so it could still really start soon. And we talk about the breakout point. I'm just very careful because it hasn't really done enough to suggest something bullish is going on. The last leg down, I don't like the look of it. You know, we have the same problem with many altcoin charts. That just gives me the view that, I mean, maybe it's just maybe it's in the club of coins that's not going to go to a new all-time high. So we will have to have a look definitely at this resistance area. But resistance for this wave 2. So after a possible wave 1 completed, then a flat structure in an ABC structure, the overall range is between 4.6 cents and 15 cents in which this wave 2 could land, okay? Okay, in a more bullish interpretation, it could also go up and would then have to prove, however, that it can break above 15 cents. Above 15 cents, if we get a sustained break, it can go clearly to new all-time highs in the white wave structure. If that's playing out, then a target for a third wave. Let's just do that. Take 1, 2. So, I mean, the very first, actually, this would need to sit much higher. Like this. But the thing is, we want to focus on the wave 1 of wave 3, which would be the next target. With altcoins, you want to keep it, you want to focus on the next targets, basically. And that level would be at 8.8 cents. So if this third wave is playing out, which is basically the next larger wave in a bull run, then this would be a 1, 2, 1, 2. Depending on how low the wave 2 goes, we can calculate the other waves, but would sort of work out like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is sort of how the bullish scenario would have to play out. We would need, typically we're watching a wave 1, reach the 38.2 extension or the 61.8 extension as key levels, maybe the 78.6. But that's sort of what we need to see when we approach these levels. These are basically the 3 levels for a wave 1 of 3 between 8.8 cents and then 66 cents. So huge difference, but we just need to take it level by level. We'll have a look how it reacts if we approach 8.8 cents. So that's going to be interesting. I mean, this is on a very high level. Okay, don't forget about that. Okay, so short term, there is not really much to add to previous updates. So it could be working here on a diagonal pattern. Okay, so in a 1, 2, and then possibly here in ABC, it would have to, so the third wave is probably not even in. That's the problem with this count. I mean, also, can I trust this wick down? See, I'm not sure. That's the problem I have currently with many of these altcoins. We might even argue that it actually bottomed here with a truncation. Then I have 1, 2, 3, but we'll see. I mean, different ways how this can be interpreted, but this looks like an A, like a B, and we might move up in wave C now. Target for a third. Minimum I would want to see is the 1-to-1 ratio, better the 1.236. And then we talk about 2.33 cents to 2.59. That would be ideal for wave 3. Then wave 4 and wave 5. Wave 5... possibly here around 3 cents, 3.3. And then we have 5 waves up, okay? Then we have 5 waves up. that could still be a C wave, or in the more, but that would be a very shallow wave 2. I mean, talking about that this could be wave 2 here in yellow, right? Possible, but it's also possible that this is only going to be the first wave of that C wave, right? But if you pay attention to this and have a look, that was a dog. If you look at this A wave and look at the low B wave, yeah, I mean, this is realistic. It could just stop here, right, after 5 waves. So we will pay attention to that. Yeah. So all of this, what we currently see in the crypto market, altcoin sector, could just be a corrective rally. Okay. Solana as well. You know, ADA. Yeah, we talked about in those videos. So I'm not like suggesting we definitely go to all-time highs from here. They would have to prove it to me. But we take it level by level. We are in a local uptrend and we're following it. Okay, that's my update about VeChain. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.